What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details, the official Attention to Details in Chesterton, Indiana. Your authorized Expel dealer. This is a 2023 Toyota Venza that you might have seen in some of the other videos, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. We did a full frontal Expel Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating, 10-year warranty on this vehicle. At that time, they did not have the doors ready to be, through our plotter machines, ready to be cut out, and the customer wanted the doors done, so we brought it back in. They still don't have it yet, so we bulk wrapped it. And this just, again, goes to show the skill levels of my team here. Phenomenal job, knocked it out. But this vehicle is protected, ready to go, and then it is going to be coming back early spring, because then he wants to save a little bit more money, and then we're going to finish the rest, the rear bumpers, the quarters, and the roof. But this car right now is about 90% completely protected, all its high impact areas with the built-in ceramic Fusion made in the USA. Then we got the awesome Audi R8 2010 V10 gated 6-speed. We've been so busy, we've been wanting to, Kenny and I have been wanting to tear into this and do some more mods and stuff, but we've been so busy, and we're going to do some of the paint protection film over with the Fusion. This is the Ultimate Plus, so we just want to add the Fusion to it with the ceramic built-in. So we don't know when we're going to get to that. Then we also had in today a 2020 Tesla Model 3. This is a interior detail which we already knocked out. Now we're going to wash it and clean up the outside here in a minute. But the customer had film put on it somewhere else. I don't know what brand it is. It could be Expel. But even if it is Expel, when this happens right here, see, this is all open paint here, and it's all whatever this is, it's lifting up. And this is only about 6 months old. He had it done somewhere else, but I brought it back, so we're going to be redoing the hood form. We take all of our badges off here, everywhere around the car. We want it seamless. We wrap all edges. That is standard in everything we do here with our wraps. And then I'm going to show you the power of paint protection film in the back. So this guy also, this whole car is not wrapped. He had certain areas, but he had the back bumper done, and he hit a pole backing up, and it tore. So the film, this is all film here, it got to the paint right here, which we're going to touch up and clean up. But all this stuff here is protected except for this little crack down here. We're going to see what we can do with this. But this isn't the paint, that's the film. It's just scuffed. That's the transfer. If this wasn't on there, this would have been all messed up, bumper off, repainted. So this did save it. So we're also going to be replacing this back PPF on the back bumper with the Fusion as well on this for this client. So again, all badges are taken off on every vehicle we do here. We wrap all edges, door edges, around your edges here, especially on Tesla. When guys do it, if you start looking at them, this meant to be a 2-piece for easy installs, and then there's a piece here and it butts up like this. We don't do this. This is all one piece. We try to make everything seamless here, and we do not upcharge for that. That's what sets us apart. Just like we don't upcharge on our ceramic coatings for the maintenance washes that everyone's charging between $75 up to $250 every 6 months. We only, on our coatings, we're so sure of our coatings that we require once a year maintenance wash, and it is absolutely free. Why pay again for a product that's supposed to last and have to pay every 6 months to a year several hundreds of dollars that everyone else does? We don't do that. They're always free here. We're going to go inside now and show you what else we got going on. All right, we're back inside here. So we showed you the Tesla Model 3. So Cody's in here deep scrubbing the rims right now, and then finishing off the wash on this, and then we'll talk to the customer about exactly what he wants to do on the PPF that I showed you guys and stuff like that. Then over here we have Jose and Jay finishing up the 2023 Lexus IS 500. We did a full frontal Ultimate Plus Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating, the full rocker kit, all windows tinted out, and then the rest of the ceramic coating with Ammo Pro Coat. And Jay is on the inside with the Expel Fusion coating for leather trim, paint, and the carpet. He's finishing that off as we speak. This car will be delivered tomorrow. It come out absolutely stunning. What a beautiful car. This is the last year of the V8 in the Lexus, and it's pretty neat car. Very beautifully done. Kenny's got a lot of footage on this, so when we put the video out, he's got photos that we've been posting and stuff. But it's a really neat, well spec'd out car. I kind of like it a lot. Love the interior, but it come out absolutely stunning. Another good job here at ATD. Then we go to the 2023. This is, I mess this up all the time, Kenny? Genesis GV70, the SUV. Really nice looking vehicle. Fully wrapping this in stealth. It is about 90% complete right now. Then we got to tint the windows, and there's a couple other things I think I'm forgetting about. And then when we're done, put all the badging. So this is all ready to go back here. All the badging's been removed. We do all of that. No upcharge. All edges are wrapped. You can come in and look at all of our work. We invite everyone to come down and check our work out, because this can be an investment, but it is a worthwhile investment to protect your vehicle with all the problems that we're seeing right now with the paint problems, thin paint, paint runs, paint nibs, dust nibs. It's absolutely horrible. There's cars you can't even polish. But don't get me on that rant, because it pisses me off because of the money these vehicles cost. But we're here to educate you and protect your vehicles the right way. So this vehicle will be leaving, I believe, next week when it's completed. I think they got to do the hood. They got the badge off on that. They'll be wrapping that here later on. And then I think the bumpers and a couple other pieces, and then get the windows tinted out. And this will be another vehicle completely protected with Expel, the stealth film, 10-year warranty, self-healing. But it's coming out absolutely beautiful. We have a slew of really cool cars coming in. So all I can tell you is next week, look for our videos. Go to our YouTube channel, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified every time. Check out our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Anything that you need to know is on there. We'll link you right to our website too. You can see all of our stuff. Or better yet, just come on down here at ATD, Attention to Details, the official Attention to Details in Chesterton, 219-628-0288, 419 Council Drive. Come down. We invite everybody down to look at our work. Just don't be told. Everyone wonders what it looks like. Again, come down and check out the work that's being done, anywhere from our ceramic coatings to our window tint to our paint protection film. We set ourselves apart because we give you more of what should be done. Badges off, all wrapped edges, like I said. There is a difference. Come experience it with us. For now, guys, love and happiness. Peace.